The Jasion RetroVolt Electric Bike features a powerful 1500-watt brushless motor, allowing riders to easily tackle steep hills and reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Equipped with a 48-volt 13-ampere-hour battery, this electric bike offers an impressive range of up to 70 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long-distance commutes. Its full suspension system and 20-inch fat tires ensure a smooth and stable ride, providing comfort on both rough terrain and city streets. Constructed from high-quality carbon steel, the Jasion RetroVolt is built to last and can support a weight of up to 330 pounds, catering to a wide range of adult riders. The intelligent LCD display and bright headlights and taillights enhance safety and visibility, allowing you to monitor speed and battery life effortlessly, even at night. With 90% of the bike pre-assembled, the hassle-free setup allows you to start enjoying your rides in no time.